Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to view or show the hidden files and folders on your Mac operating system. Let's say you have a folder on your Mac and you want to view the hidden files or folders in this directory. Here's how you can do that. First, open the Finder and navigate to the location where you want to view the hidden files. Now, press Command plus Shift plus period on your keyboard at the same time. This key combination will reveal all the hidden files. As you can see, the hidden files are now visible. Typically, hidden files start with a dot at the beginning of the file or folder name. For example, .get is a hidden directory. You can identify them by the dot in front of the name. To hide these files again, simply press Command plus Shift plus period once more. The hidden files will be hidden again. So to recap, Command plus Shift plus period reveals hidden files. Press the same combination again to hide them. That's how you can view or show hidden files on your Mac. I hope you found this video helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.